So this is Sugar Sugar game. Here you can choose one of 8 languages, but we'll keep it in English. Next, there is a consent form that you need to read. To participate, you must tick those 2 boxes. The following checkboxes are optional. Then we enter an email address, age and gender. After that, the form asks whether we use a CGM or not. CGM is a continuous glucose monitoring device. If you use one, you can upload your own data and play the game using either your personal data or a mix of your data and generic data. If you don't have CGM, that's not a problem. You can still play using generic data. I do have my own data, so I'll upload it later. I'll select 0 years of CGM use because I only wore it once. Next, if you're uploading your own data, you'll need to agree with the use of your data for the study. The form asks whether you have diabetes and asks for your location. Once everything is filled in, we're ready to play. We can see the glucose statistics and our task is to complete the graph. Then the program compares our graph with the real one and tells us how accurate our prediction was. If you make a mistake, you can draw another line and your previous line will be adjusted. After you finish, click Submit to see the results for this particular round. Here's the results. Then you continue like this until you complete the game. You can also stop earlier by clicking this button. And here are the results for the whole game. You can also share them on social media, and you can play with different types of data.